Hi there, welcome to Slothouse. In this tutorial, we'll guide you step by step on how to deposit funds into your account. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you're logged into your Slothouse account. If you're not logged in yet, go ahead and sign in. Once you're ready, follow along. To start, click the Purchase button. Here, you'll see all available deposit methods, their minimum and maximum limits, and any applicable fees. Don't forget, we offer a 100% match bonus up to $100 for your very first deposit. To deposit with cryptocurrency, select BTC or LTC. Enter the amount, and the system will generate a wallet address and QR code. Send your funds to this address, and your deposit will be credited to your main balance. Plus, enjoy a 50% deposit bonus on every crypto deposit. For Fiat deposits, choose Cash App, Debit credit card, Apple Pay, or Google Pay. Note that Fiat deposits have a 9% processing fee. Enter the amount and click Pay to proceed. On the payment form, choose any server provider and payment method. In the username and email fields, enter your Slothouse username and email fields. Make sure the deposit amount matches what you entered earlier. Click Deposit and then Pay Now to proceed. Complete the payment on the checkout page using your selected method. Once the payment is sent, return to Slothouse, and your deposit will be credited to your main balance. Remember, crypto deposits are the preferred method at Slothouse. They're faster, come with a 50% deposit bonus, and have no additional processing fees. Start using crypto today for a seamless experience. And that's it. You've successfully deposited funds into your Slothouse account. If you have any questions, our support team is here to help. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.